Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete the search history from the Firefox app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Firefox app. And on the bottom right corner, on these three dots, if you tap on it, then it will open the menu bar. The second option is the history. Tap on the history, and here you will see my history. If you tap on the X, then you can delete one by one. But if you tap on the top right corner on this trash can, you can set the time range to delete your history from today and yesterday, or you would like to delete everything, or from the last hour. And tap on delete, and it deleted what I searched. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.